Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Here we have another Heathkit Sb-220. So I went through this, nice and clean. Just some dust on here. So, put the series glitch resistor in. I'm waiting for the cap. I went ahead and tested it. Worked great on all bands, no problems. I put the cap here, the 0.0016 kV from here to ground. I'm waiting on that. Replaced the load tuner, soldered that up nice. Had a bad solder joint, the end of that coil. New anode heat dissipating caps. Had the big ones that gave almost no clearance between the top of the tube, which carries the plate voltage. You know, you have the plate voltage along with the arc voltage. Didn't want it to flash the top cover. Someone changed the fan over to the Harbach type. I changed the parasitic suppressors, brand new ones, new resistors, new coils. Someone put these doorknobs in, so those are good. Got rid of a bunch of dust. So, hey, I will show the bottom. I already had the Harbach metering board, the older style, and Harbach filter caps, new meter lamp bulbs. I'll be right back. Hold on one second. Okay, someone changed the TR relay. It had a lot of, it was very, very messy down here. I ended up changing this wire. Someone had a connector on the end of it and had been arcing, you know, because it wasn't making a good connection. So I put a new piece of Teflon wire back to the circuit breaker. I soldered and heat shrunk the wires for the fan. Someone used the twisty nuts. There was electrical tape all over. I got rid of that and soldered and heat shrunk the connections. Put the new filter cap in. I grounded the grids. Nice, directly to the chassis. The output safety choke was fried. I don't know what they did to it, but I don't know if they put it into an open or something. I don't know, but or probably really bad SBR, and the pi coils were like, you know, all congealed into one. Zip tied everything. Did the bias modification. That's all good. Check the SO239 connectors. I had to find one on eBay, a new RCA connection. So that's what, this is just the temporary connection to key the amp to the chassis. So it takes like a flange type. So I'm waiting on that. I'll install that. But besides that, this thing is all set. And she's ready to go. A lot of work. Had a lot of issues here. Looks like someone got creative. I didn't even notice that. Look at that. It's actually not a bad idea. They use those. They used like a threaded cone thing, and then they put screws through it to hold it in place. So, thanks for watching. amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Oh, one last thing. Yeah, of course I cleaned all the rotary switches, so they're all good to go. Hey, take care.